Good evening. Here with me is Robin. What is your expectations for Game 2, Black versus Blue?
Na-expect ko magiging intense yung laban. Kasi semifinals, magiging physical. Tapos more on defense, both teams. Pero we made sure na as Blue, we prepared. Nag-practice kami. Nag-run kami ng mga plays, defense and offense. So, tiwala lang sa team and I believe we can secure the win today.
Since you're with Team Brian, are you guys prepared? Well prepared with tactics, strategies for this game?
Oo, sabihin ko well prepared naman kasi pinagandaan talaga namin yung semifinals kasi gusto natin makapasok sa finals. So, and makuha yung championship. Pero one game at a time. So, focus tayo sa semifinals ngayon. Gawin lang yung prepare na plays defensively and offensively and then secure the win.
Okay. Thank you. This is Robin. See you at second game.